Hello my children, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about our country. Do you know what is our country? Yes, Sri Lanka. Before learn that, shall we watch the small video clip about Sri Lanka?
Our motherland is Sri Lanka. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean. That people call it the Pearl of Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is the Buddhist country. There are 4 main religions such as Buddhism, Islam, Hinduism, and Christianity. Sri Lanka is rich of many resources. Even it is a small island, now it has become a miracle because of their beauty. There are a lot of marvelous places, attractive waterfalls, beautiful rivers, forest and wild animals, rocks, beautiful mountains are the few things make Sri Lanka a beautiful country. Our president is Honorable Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Our national flower is water lily. Our national tree is ironwood. Our national bird is jungle fowl. Our country has many cultural events such as Sinhala Hindu New Year, Vesak Festival, Ramazan, Thai Pongal, and Christmas. All the nationalities are living peacefully. We love our motherland Sri Lanka.
Alright, did you watch that video? Yes, now I am going to ask question about Sri Lanka. Are you ready? Okay.
Now tell me, my kids, who is our president? Who is our president? Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Yes, our president is Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa. What is our national flower? Do you remember? What is our national flower? Water lily. Very good. Water lily. Our national flower is water lily. What is our national tree? Tell me, what is our national tree? Ironwood. What is our national tree? Ironwood. Our national tree is ironwood.
What is our national bird? Can you remember? Jungle fowl. Our national bird is jungle fowl. Very good. Now tell me, what is the highest mountain in Sri Lanka? What is the highest mountain in Sri Lanka? What is this? Piduruthalagala. Piduruthalagala is the highest mountain in Sri Lanka. What is the longest river in Sri Lanka? Can you remember? Mahavali River. Yes, Mahavali River is the longest river in Sri Lanka. What is the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka? What is the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka? Bambarakanda is the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Bambarakanda is the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. What are the main religions in Sri Lanka? Tell me, my kids, what are the main religions in Sri Lanka? Yes, Buddhism, Islam, what else? Yes, Hinduism, what else? Yes, Christianity. Now tell me, what are the festivals in Sri Lanka? What are the festivals in Sri Lanka? Do you know what are the festivals in Sri Lanka? Yes, Sinhala Tamil New Year. What else? Vesak festival. Yes, very good. Vesak festival. Tell me what else? What are the festivals in Sri Lanka? Yes, Ramadan. Who's celebrating Ramadan? Do you know? Yes, Muslims are celebrating Ramadan. Thai Pongal. Hindus are celebrating Thai Pongal. Who's celebrating Thai Pongal? Hindus are celebrating Thai Pongal. What else? What are the festivals? Yes, very good. Christmas. Who's celebrating Christmas? Yes, Christians are celebrating Christmas. Okay, now I think you know about Sri Lanka. Please do these activities at home